What's going on, world? It's your boy Carbonate, and welcome back to Epic Whipz, man. And today's an epic day. So what I'm gonna be doing today, I got the car on all fours because I'm gonna be doing the rims today. I'm gonna try to do the rims. What's on there now is Plasti Dip. Now, I bought the car like that, so right now I got some spray paint and some index cards. And we're gonna spray paint these bad boys. First we gotta take off this Plasti Dip. That's gonna be a little tough, but once we do that, spray paint it, maybe 1-2 coats, and see how it comes out. Already started taking these off. You can see, yeah, I'm gonna try to take it off. So I'm gonna attempt to take this Plasti Dip off. Hopefully I can. I don't even know. So let's get to it, man. Alright, so I got most of the Plasti Dip off, as you can see. What I'm going to use is Goo Gun. They say spray some Goo Gun on it, use a power washer, and it should come off. We will see. So, got some Goo Gun, going to spray it down, get the power wash going, and see if that actually works. Alright, so this is it after the power wash. Looking good. It's not there, you know, that Plasti Dip is not there anymore, so can't complain. So I'm gonna let it dry, then work on another wheel. I'm very limited on time. Probably got like an hour left. All right, we got 2 down, 2 to go. Now with this one, I just kept it all on there. I didn't even try to peel off anything. Just sprayed the Goo Gun. I'm going to try to use the power washer and see what happens. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. We'll find out, mate, soon enough. And then we got this last one here. If that works out, do the same thing as that one. Bada bing, bada boom. And then we can start prepping with the index cards. And pretty much what I'm going to do. So pretty much what I'm going to do is something like this. Like that, or even like that. Depending on how much spray. Probably like that, you know. Probably double up on 2 to make it stronger, because these is paper thin. Just like that, all the way around. Do it for both. Easy spray paint job, mate. All right, let's do it. Well, it did the job, mate. You know, it's not probably the best of the best, but you know, I think it is good enough. It's good enough, you know. Yeah, it's good enough. We're gonna start putting these index cards in here and start the process of painting, spray painting. All right, so we got kind of like 2 wheels done, mate. That's only 1 coat, and Mother Nature is not helping me out. It's a bit windy, so I tried my best to use these, but they were like blowing off like crazy, so did my best. Went a bit heavy because I was trying to be fast. I don't know if you can see it, but went a bit heavy in certain spots. Oh man, but didn't really care too much, right? It's looking nice, better than what it was. So we got these 2 to do. I'm gonna let those 2 dry as I work on these 2. Then possibly do another coat. I don't even know if it needs one, but I may do a light coat on it. But yeah, better than what it was. So, and it's pretty shiny now. Now this is gloss. I don't even know what semi-gloss will look like, but the gloss is shiny. I'm not 100% if I like it. I think semi-gloss would have been better, but it is what it is right now, mate. We're gonna do what we have to do and get the job done. Right, let's do it. Next two. All right. So we got all four painted one coat, literally one coat. It's pretty shiny, and it's not too bad, mate. Not too bad. Now it may be a bit shiny, for my liking, to be honest, but it is what it is, you know. Can't turn back now, right? So, yeah, better than what it was. So we're gonna let it dry, possibly put a light coat on it after, but I don't know, maybe it may not even need it because it went pretty heavy. So, yeah, hell yeah. Let's get him back on a car, and definitely gonna look 100% better, 100%.